Alright guys, we're going to take a look at your assessment before you get started so you can get an idea of what you're going to do. So you should have your two passages in front of you that we've been working on this week. If you don't, that's fine. They are in this document. So we have the importance of recycling and reusing trash. We have both of our articles right here. Okay guys, so what you're going to do, once you have read back through both of your passages, you're going to scroll to the bottom right here, and you're going to drag and drop these sentences to the correct column. Okay, so in this first column is the importance of recycling. So if it's something that's just in the importance of recycling, I'm going to look at my 12 down here. Okay, my 12 sentences. If I see one that just goes in the importance of recycling, I will grab it and drop it. Okay, drag it and drop it. Okay, now if it's something that's just in reusing trash, a sentence that's just in reusing trash, or something that goes with reusing trash, I'm going to drag it and drop it right here if it talks about it in just reusing trash. Okay, but if I see it that it's something that it's mentioned in both, I'm going to put it in the middle. If they talk about it in the importance of recycling and they talk about it in reusing trash, both of them, I'm going to drag it to the middle. Okay guys, I want you to go back into your passages. Okay, they're right here, or they should be in front of you. Okay, you should be looking back in your passages, guys. These are in your face answers. Okay, none of this is coming from your noggin. You are pulling this straight from your passages. Okay, now take your time. When you're finished, get on iReady, get on Reflex, get your green lights, work on your packets for DI, but there's no talking after this. Okay, you may get started.